How to start a profitable cleaning business in South Africa. We break down the market opportunities, startup costs, essential tools, legal setup, how to get clients, and strategies to scale your business. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch and grow your own cleaning business. 1. Market opportunity. The cleaning industry in South Africa presents a high-demand, low-barrier business opportunity. Urbanization, busy lifestyles, and growing commercial spaces have created a steady need for professional cleaning services. Residential cleaning remains a reliable source of income, while commercial contracts, such as offices and retail stores, offer scalable revenue. Even niche services like post-construction or carpet cleaning can provide specialized, high-margin income. Starting in this industry allows entrepreneurs to tap into a consistent market with minimal risk. Demand is particularly strong in cities like Johannesburg, Cape Town, and Durban, where working professionals outsource household chores. Many businesses are also outsourcing cleaning to reduce internal staffing costs. Understanding the local market and identifying underserved areas can give new entrants a competitive edge. 2. Startup costs and tools. One of the major advantages of a cleaning business is its low entry cost. Basic equipment includes cleaning solutions, mops, brushes, gloves, buckets, and protective gear. For transport, even a small car or bakkie can handle supplies efficiently. Expect initial investment to range from a few thousand rands to around 20,000 for a more fully equipped setup. Choosing cost-effective yet durable products ensures quality service without overspending, helping new business owners remain competitive from the start. It's important to keep an inventory checklist to avoid missing essential items during jobs. Reinvesting early profits into better equipment can increase efficiency and customer satisfaction. Starting small and scaling equipment purchases as the business grows keeps overhead manageable. 3. Licensing and legal setup. Even small cleaning businesses require proper registration and compliance. Register the business with CIPC, obtain a tax number, and ensure proper bookkeeping practices. Insurance, though optional for very small setups, protects both the business and clients, enhancing credibility. For those aiming at corporate contracts, BEE compliance may be necessary. Setting up your business legally not only avoids penalties, but positions the venture as a trustworthy, professional service provider. It's also wise to familiarize yourself with municipal bylaws regarding commercial operations in your area. Contracts should clearly outline services, payment terms, and liability coverage to prevent disputes. Establishing professional documentation and agreements from day one builds trust with clients and makes the business appear more established. 4. Target market and niches. Identifying the right target market is crucial for growth. Residential cleaning is an excellent starting point, serving apartments, houses, and busy households. Commercial cleaning offers higher revenue potential, including offices, retail stores, and schools. Specialized niches like post-construction cleaning, carpet, and window cleaning can command premium rates. Focusing on a specific niche allows for targeted marketing and positions the business as an expert service provider. Understanding client needs in each segment ensures tailored services and higher customer satisfaction. Expanding into underserved areas can help secure loyal customers before competitors move in. Tracking which services are most requested allows for strategic investment in tools and staff. Offering customized packages for different clients increases flexibility and can attract more premium contracts. 5. Marketing and getting clients. A cleaning business thrives on visibility and trust. Traditional methods like flyers, business cards, and door-to-door introductions remain effective. Online platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Gumtree help reach local clients quickly. Networking with estate agents, property managers, and real estate developers can provide steady referrals. Encouraging satisfied clients to leave reviews builds credibility and attracts more business. Offering introductory discounts or referral incentives can help jumpstart client acquisition and maintain consistent demand. Creating a professional website or portfolio builds trust and showcases your services. Engaging with local community groups and online forums increases awareness. Consistent branding, including uniforms and branded vehicles, reinforces professionalism and attracts higher-paying clients. 6. Scaling the business. Once the business has a steady client base, scaling becomes the next step. Hiring additional staff allows the business to take on larger contracts and more clients simultaneously. Outsourcing administrative tasks or scheduling frees up time to focus on growth. Building partnerships with corporate clients can ensure long-term contracts and consistent revenue. Investing in technology, like invoicing and scheduling software, improves efficiency and professionalism. Expanding services gradually while maintaining quality ensures a sustainable and scalable growth path. Training staff to maintain high service standards preserves reputation during growth. Implementing performance tracking and client feedback loops ensures continuous improvement. Exploring new locations or additional service lines can open untapped revenue streams and strengthen the business further. If you're ready to take action and start your own cleaning business, subscribe to Economic Indicators for more practical business insights. We've covered market opportunities, startup costs, essential tools, legal setup, target markets, marketing strategies, and how to scale your business, giving you a clear roadmap to launch, grow, and professionalize your venture in South Africa. Applying these steps consistently can help you stand out from competitors and build a business that generates reliable income. Starting small doesn't mean thinking small. Every professional cleaning empire began with one client and a clear plan. Focus on delivering quality, building trust, and keeping your operations efficient, and growth will follow. Remember that reputation is your most valuable asset in this industry. One happy client can lead to multiple referrals, while consistent service builds credibility that allows you to secure larger contracts. Even in tough economic times, households and businesses will continue to pay for dependable cleaning, making your venture resilient if you maintain professionalism and attention to detail. Document your processes and train your team carefully to ensure consistent service as your business expands. Explore our other videos on profitable business ideas and entrepreneurship tips to continue expanding your knowledge. Share your experiences, successes, or questions in the comments, and we'll provide guidance to help you refine your strategy. Remember, action without knowledge is slow, but knowledge without action is wasted. Combining both sets the foundation for long-term success. At Economic Indicators, we do not wait for the economy to change, we outsmart it.